Welcome to Data Analytics class. And this is Madhushri. Today you are going to learn a hands-on data analytics with Excel. So here you are going to learn a few topics on this. That is, what do you mean by conditional formatting? If, count if, sum if, average if, and concat. So while coming for conditional formatting, it is used to change the appearance of this, your screen based on your requirements. You can make some differences in the data that whatever you got it. Like you can apply some color conditions, scales, and you can check that. So come on, let us explore that using. So I have just opened an Excel sheet. Here I have taken a part A program with respect to Bangalore City University for BCA 5th semester students, data analytics lab. That is the program 1. So I have taken a predefined data. You can take the data or you can type it yourself and keep it ready for the lab exam, or on spot you can type the data or you can collect it from any of the sources. So depending on this data, and just to show first component, that is the conditional formatting. So I'm applying it for this column called as sales. First you have to select the sale column. So why sales means conditional is applied only for the numbers. So I'm taking the sales. So here I just have option called as highlight rules. I'm checking greater than. That means want to check which is greater than 500. And here I have given the color codes. Based on that, I've given red. So you can see the difference. So easily you can point out the sales which are greater than 100. Similarly, same column I will select, go for conditional formatting, less than. If I want, I can check the data which is less than 200, for example. Then I'll change the color here to green. So just you can see the difference, right? For red it means greater than 500, green means less than 20. Similarly, we have one more called as scales. For doing anything, you have to just select the column, and you have something called as the color scales here. So it just highlights the similar kind of data. So I have selected here, see, similar kind of data gets highlighted, like 41, 41, 30, 31, and 2. So next, now the second one is if condition. Already you might have learned in so many of the programming languages, like what is if. If the condition it's true, it evaluates to false. If it is, condition is true, it will evaluate to true. Otherwise, it is false. Depending on the condition, your program code works. So it is used to check a number whether it is greater than, less than, or something which is equal to. So now let's see in Excel. So now let us see if. So here I have taken discount and discount status. For example, I want to check for which uh, type of data I want to give discount. So I will go into discount status. So for everything in Excel, you have to type first if equals. So since it is a if condition, type if this column is greater than 0. So what I am going to do is I am going to so type discount allowed, okay, comma discount allowed. So I'm giving it in double quotes because since it is a string. Else, what condition you are going to give? Discount not allowed. So this means, this condition means if this K3 is this number, if 4.5 is greater than 0, if the condition is true, it will show discount allowed. If it is 0, it will show discount not allowed. So just press enter. See, it is showing discount allowed because this condition, whatever I have given here, so K3 greater than 0, yes, this is K3 greater than 0, so discount allowed. Just I'll drag and drop to other column. Okay. So now see, it is showing discount not allowed because K4, that is 0 greater than 0 is false. So it will evaluate to not allowed. So this is how if works. Next. So next one is count if. This count if will tell how many data are present in that particular cell. Just it counts the number of specified cells depending on the condition. Suppose you have given a range of data, like I want to know how many students have passed the exam, or how many students have got more than 90%. In such situation, you can make use of this count if function. And here you have given the range also here. So let us see with Excel. So here I have taken a sales count here. I'll just count what are the total sales. So here just click on this and type count if. So here is a count if, select the formula. So what count if will do? So count if will check just to count how many sales has been done. So I will select the entire column, then close the bracket. So just I'll type a count if. So count if. So which one I want to count? Just I want to check whether it profit, how much profit I have gained. So I'm selecting the entire column. Then just put comma. You are going to keep the range. So greater than 10, I want to just check. So count if. So count on the entire column which is greater than 10, and it will tell me with the number. So how many things are greater than 10? It just counts and give me the count. You can drag and drop and check for this formula. So next one is sum if. Sum if it is simple, just it is used to mean sum based on the given range. For example, I have selected one column, I want to know the sum of the entire column, or I want to check the total of the entire students or count of entire marks, then I'll go for sum if. You can apply it for complete column. So now we will do sum if. I have taken the column called total profit. So here I am going to type sum if. So you can select first one, sum if. So as I told, sum if is used to select one particular range of cell, then what I want to sum. Here I can give the criteria range of the sum. So whenever you use this greater than symbol, just put it in the double quotes because it is also act as a special character. So we'll put in double quotes greater than. So now according to the data, whatever I have is 41, 31, 20. So I'll just check greater than 30. So I want to sum. That means I want to make a summation of the profit column which is greater than 30. Suppose I want to just check the greater than 30, what are the items that is category, based on this category, how much profit I want, mean how much profit I got, which is greater than 30. Just click on enter. So it will just add, take the mean the data which is greater than 30, that is 41, it will take 41, it will take, then which is greater than 30 is 31 and 31. So if you sum, you will get 46, 146.28. So this you can do it. So next one is average. So average function is used to just check or find out the average of a given data. For example, I want to find out the average of my marks or subject marks, or average of a percentage, mean, as I've shown here, arithmetic mean. If I want to do, then I can use this average functions. While writing in exams, you have to write the definition, syntax, example, and then you have to explore the things. So now let us see what is the average. So coming back to Excel, so just to type equals, so I've taken average. So if you type here, there is a function called average. Select this function. So if you want to, I want to just check what is the average sales done this year. So I'll click on this sales, then close the bracket. It is simple, just press enter. So what is the average sales means? 430 this year. So that is average. So concatenation is used with respect to the text, and if you want to combine two or more or multiple cells or text without adding any delimiters, then you can combine those values and you can do it. Suppose I want to combine the sales, product, everything together, I can do with concat. Concat is nothing but joining. So concat function, so concat, as I said, it is used for joining. So just I'm going to type it as here. So concatenate function, so open the bracket, it just used to text. For example, I want to combine the subcategory now. Subcategory, put comma, then double quotes, because it has to join the, two strings. So after typing double quotes and again type comma, then I want to know product name, okay, then comma, then which product, how much amount is it, or sales, or if you want to know the profit, depending on your requirement, you click on this data, then close the bracket. So it will give you the summary of the product. So what is that? It belongs to the category table and IKEA, and that is, category is the something IKEA, and what is the profit it has got. So it is, 41.19. So just drag and drop to all the columns. So you will get CTech, Canon 3.1. So this is how, if you want to know the summary of the product, you can do this. So these are the functions that we have learned today in Excel. Hope this video finds you well, good for exploring the things. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, you can come back to me. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to share among your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning. Thank you so much.